Hey guys, today I want to do a quick video involving Unturned server hosting, and this is different than my normal content, but this is something that I had an issue with earlier today, and I found out how to fix. So this error basically says data too long for item name, and it happens when you add items with really long names to the shop. For example, low caliber military ammunition crate. If we try to add that to the shop with whatever price, it'll basically say there was an error. Now when you check the error in console, it'll say data too long for column item name at row 1. And yeah, this error also happens if you're using a different utility to manage your shop. I use FreeNext's Uconomy utility, which is super useful, by the way. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go download this. This is amazing for editing shop tables and stuff. But it happens in here too. If I just add like a random price and try to add an item with a really long name, it comes up with data too long for item name. And how to fix this is you'll go into HideSQL or whatever you use to manage your tables. And when you log in, you'll have a couple things. If you go into Uconomy item shop, you'll see a value called Itemname. For me, it's just the second one on this list. I'm not sure what it looks like if you're using a different program, but it should look similar to this if you are using HideSQL. So basically, item name is set to 32 by default, and this basically makes it so items can only have a max character length of 32 to be added to the table. Any item with a name longer than 32 characters is just blocked from the table, blocked from being added. So what you want to do is change 32 to something higher. I just set it to 50. That's what I usually have it at. I don't think there's really any other items that are going to be super long and need to set it higher, but you can set it to whatever you want. After you change that to something higher, click save, and it should update everything. You don't need to restart the server. It should be still running and good after you save the changes. But now, if we go back to the game, we should be able to do shop add 43 with the price as we did before, and now it lets us because we changed the item name value. And to show it working in a different way, I'll show you with the Uconomy utility. If we add some other item with a really long name, it now works without the error. So yeah, that's how you fix that, the item name error for the shop plugin for your server. That's it. If you want more tutorials like this involving server hosting or whatever, be sure to leave a comment or like this video or anything of that nature. And I'll be sure to do more of this kind of stuff, but I will be uploading regular videos this weekend. Some wacky gaming stuff. But yeah, that's it. That's how to fix the error. That's how I fixed my struggle with the shop plugin. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.